It's tight. Right now, life is a little bit of everything. Early mornings, long days, and a whole lot of heart. My better half and I spend our days juggling full-time jobs while pouring every spare moment into the animals we care so deeply about. We've got horses, we've got chickens, and somehow we wouldn't have it any other way. Now, we don't actually own this land. We lease a small piece of a beautiful farm we've come to love as Grumbles Homestead. And honestly, it feels like home. It's busy. The kind of busy that fills your days and your soul at the same time. But through it all, there's one thing that keeps us moving forward. One day, we want to own a homestead of our own. That's the dream. And every early morning, every late night, every little win, and even the tough days, it's all part of getting there. And around here, something is always happening, something that makes me laugh, or stop and say, did that really just happen? One day it just clicked. Why aren't we sharing this? Why aren't we capturing these moments? So we started doing exactly that. Documenting the real life, the unfiltered, sometimes messy, always meaningful journey of caring for these incredible animals. The good days, the hard days, and the ones where everything goes sideways and all you can do is laugh. So from this little corner of this beautiful farm, welcome to Grumbles Homestead. Chicken soup with Grumble. Until next time. What an awesome meal. Take care. Chicken soup with Grumble. I love how it makes me feel. Chicken soup with Grumble.